Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. It's part 2 of Google Photos app. In the first part, we learned all the options which is available with this app. In this part, we are going to learn the settings. Let's click on the settings. First, you can change the quality when you upload the photos and videos. Original quality is selected. You can select the storage saver, and also you can get on more storage, or you can manage storage as well. Next, what we have here is the appearance. You can change from light to dark, or you can select use default, device default. Next, we have unsupported videos. You can click here if you want to see unsupported videos upload and you want to see all that unsupported formats. Just click on view. Next, here we have suggestions. If I click, so you can turn off suggestions for creations, suggested rotations, suggested archive, and also you can view skip it suggestions and unsaved creations. If you want to view them, just click here, or for escape it suggestions you can click right here. And also here we have the group similar faces, and if I click here you can turn it off the face group, and you can click on show and hide faces if you want to. Next, here we have the memories. If I click, so you can see hide people and pets. You can hide dates. As you can see, you won't see hidden faces in memories, creations, and your search page. And also hide dates, you won't see photos taken on hidden dates in new memories. We have the feature memories like time-based memories, theme memories, and photos shared with you. You can turn it off if you don't want to. With memories you don't want to actually use it, so you can turn it off for the time base, because it's going to create memories on the time base, on theme base, and photos shared that with you. Next, here we have sharing. If I click, so you can see the partner sharing, automatically share photos with a partner. And here I can manage sharing activity. You can see the shared links, share memories, and conversations. And here we have the sharing suggestions, notifications. You can turn it off. And also we have hide video from motion photos if you want to. So by default it is off, but you can turn it on if you want to. Next, we have the location. You can manage your location data. If I click here, so you can turn off the estimate missing locations, and also I can just click on print order history view if you want to view and archive your past orders. And you can turn off draft reminder emails from here as well. So we have the browser notifications. From here you can receive desktop notification on this computer. And also I can turn off. By default it is turn on activity based personalization. I can turn it off, which enable activity based personalization for memories and other features based on how you use Google Photos. And here we have export your data. If I click here, you can back up an archive of your data. Just click here, or you can view your data in Google Photos. Your data in Google Photos, just click here. Find out how we keep your photos and videos safe. And also I can click on activity log, which I can view, remove your comments and messages on shared photos. Just click here to view them. So this is how we can use the settings with the Google Photos. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.